boys, let's have a look at some harder problems. This question is actually quite tricky, so let's have a look. So our father's age is the square of son's age. Let's just stop there. So they're saying father's age, and we don't know what that age is obviously. Let's call it father's age, let's label it F. Okay? Let's say the father is F years old. And they're saying that F is the same as the square of son's age X. So in this case, X squared. Yep. Now, this is the tricky part. In 20 years' time, the father will be 3 times as old as his son. Okay, let's just stop there. In 20 years' time, how old will the father be in terms of F? Write this. In 20 years' time, the father will be F plus 20 years old. Yes? Now, in 20 years' time, how old will the son be? Now, the son we know is X years old, as given here. But in 20 years' time, the son will be X plus 20 years old. Does that make sense? Because in 20 years' time, you're adding 20 to the father as well as the son's age. So, what they're saying now is the father's age after 20 years' time will be 3 times as old as his son at that point in time as well. So what that means is father's age in 20 years' time is equal to 3 times of this. This is the tricky part right here, setting this up. Okay, so let me rewrite this. So right now what I have is F plus 20 equals to 3 bracket X plus 20. Okay, we're trying to look for what F and X values are. So what we need to do, right now we have a problem. We have F and we have X. We don't want 2 different letters. We only want everything in one letter. Okay? So what you need to do is now use the first fact here. F is equal to X squared. So what you need to do is replace this F with the X squared here because F is X squared. So replace that here, and the next line we're going to get now is then X squared plus 20 equals to, expanding the bracket, that's 3x times that, 3 times 20, 60, which is plus 60. And then we just have to bring everything to one side and solve for x. Let's do that. So I'm going to bring everything to this side. So x squared. Bring this plus 3 to the other side, that becomes minus 3x. Bring this plus 60 to the other side. That becomes 20 minus 60, which is minus 40, which is equal to 0. And now we just need to solve for x by factorizing it. Let's just factorize that quickly. X minus 8, x plus 5 equals to 0. So therefore, from here, x is equal to 8. So the son is either 8 years old or x is equal to minus 5 years old. But obviously you can't have minus 5 years old, so that's not your answer. This is your answer. So the son is 8 years old. That means the father is 8 squared years old, which is, so the father is 64 years old. Okay, so this is how you do this problem. The father is 64 years old, the son is 8 years old. Very tricky problem.